Welcome back to SAP ST by Manoj Tony. In this session, I'll talk about all determination which we have in SAP ST. Maybe we know all standard determination for SAP ST, but sometimes we are not able to identify the issues and errors on determination within service level agreement. Just I am giving one example. We know how plant is determined into the sales order. Plant is determined into the sales order based on CMIR, customer master, and material master. But here my error is what plant is not determined into sales order even if I have maintained valid delivering plant in customer material info record, customer master and material master. So this is an error. Next, on plant determination, system gives first priority to customer master instead of customer material info record. In standard, while determining plant into the sales order, system gives first priority to customer material info record. But here system will give first priority to customer master. Again, this is an error. Next, system determines plant from some other resource instead of customer material info record, customer master, and material master. So guys, we here will know the standard determination. Apart from this, we will cover all prospective errors and issues related to determination. So guys, these is not a standard issues. So as a recognized consultant, we have to understand all prospective ways to resolve the issues and error, or else to give alternate solution as per the requirement if any determination is not fulfilled by the standard configuration. Then determination. So guys, here I'll show you what I'll discuss in determination. So first I'll show you standard determination. Then I'll talk about user exit and enhancement on determination. So this user exit and enhancement will help you a lot if you are a beginner or who has not yet worked on any implementation project. Then next I'll talk about issues and error. Then I'll discuss some interview questions. And finally, if you need, then I'll share certification question and answer for all determination. So guys, I have listed down what are the determination to be covered. Let's see. First is plant determination. Then I'll talk about shipping point determination. Then storage location determination. Storage location determination based on storage location determination rule, Mala, Reta, and Mare. Then route determination. Pricing procedure determination. Item category determination. Schedule line category determination. Then delivery type determination. Then delivery item category determination. Billing type determination. Then term of payment determination. Incoterm determination. Revenue account determination. Reconciliation account determination. Then business area determination. Output determination. Tax determination. Partner determination. Tax category determination. Then tax procedure determination. Material determination. Then incompletion log determination. Then number ranges determination for master data as well as your sales document type, and batch determination, your accounting number ranges determination. So last but not least, cash settlement account determination. If anything missed out, then please inbox me on comment section. I will add this. Then what is next? So guys, upcoming video will be plant determination. So guys, yet if you have not subscribed our channel, then make sure please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get time to time update from our channel for upcoming video. Thanks a lot for watching this video.